Guys, second day screening of Hello Love again. Dito sa Tunlin Plaza, walang katao-tao. Kung gusto nyo ng mas hindi crowded, dito na lang kayo. Sold out na ang pang 2 p.m. Hindi na namin naabutan yung pang 2 p.m. Kaya babalik na lang kami ng 7 p.m. So, yun lang guys. Much better yata na mag-book na lang ng ticket online. Yung showing ng Hello Love Again is 1 week lang yata. Kaya, harap na guys. Limited time lang sila.